From the date of arraignment, if you're charged with a felony offense, you've got between 150 and 180 days typically for your trial to occur. If you're in custody, it's 150 days. If you are out of custody, it's 180 days. There are definitely distinctions. If it's a capital murder case, it's a couple years that they would have to try you. And if it is a crime that's a complex case involving lots of witnesses or lots of complicated scientific evidence, then it's well over 200 days. It's more like 270 days for a complex case. So there are a number of different factors that they would look at to determine whether or not a case would be designated complex. I can tell you that judges are very reluctant to designate a case complex, and there has to be a very, very good reason to designate it complex. There have to be a lot of witnesses, there has to be scientific evidence, there has to be accident reconstruction, there's got to be some basis for you to say that this is really truly a complex case. Another thing to consider is that if a defense attorney files a motion to continue, the vast majority of the time when they continue a case, they are asked to exclude the speedy trial time, the Rule 8 time. And by doing that, if a judge agrees to it, that 150 days could become more like 210 or 240 as long as the judge agrees to continue the case. And so when a defense attorney files that motion to continue your case, it's really pushing that time limit out. There is a lot of pressure put on criminal defense attorneys to wrap up cases quickly. And there are some instances when you want that. There's some instances when you want to get the trial done as quickly as humanly possible. There are other cases where you're looking for a witness, you're looking for evidence, you're trying to put a case together and you need another 30 days and a judge might not be inclined to give it to you. So if you are inclined to hire a private attorney, I definitely suggest that you move faster than slower, because that 150 days can come really, really fast. And if you wait a couple months, then your attorney might only have a couple months to prepare for trial. And I can tell you that for an attorney to do a good job, typically it takes more than 40 days, more than 60 days. We want to interview everybody, look at all the evidence, speak with the prosecution, file motions. And so if it is a case where we've only got 30 days to prepare, then it's going to be very difficult for us to take that case. So if you have any questions about speedy trial rights in Arizona, 602-989-5000 is our number. 602-989-5000. Thanks so much.